The Apple MacBook Pro with the M1 chip inside has been out for a couple of months now, and now what we're seeing on the videos is lots of people talking about, should you buy it or should you wait, or what's better, should you buy now, blah blah blah. Quick answer, and some of them are like 14 minutes long. Quick answer: if you've got the money and if you need a new laptop, get the MacBook M1 now. It doesn't matter, don't bother waiting, it's such a beast as it already is. That's all you need to know. You're not going to be disappointed. It beats pretty much everything out there. If you are a casual user, it's amazing. If you are a Final Cut Pro user, it's astonishing. Even if you're a full-time working videographer and you're not doing anything longer than, 1 hour documentaries, I think the base MacBook Pro with 250 gigabytes is an absolute astonishing beast. The only thing I would advise is make sure you buy some extra hard drives and prepare for the dongle. So in that price, of which I can see on Amazon at the moment is still £1,189 in the UK, factor in the cost of dongles and external hard drives, but otherwise it's fantastic. What I also would advise is get maybe something like a case and maybe like a wee stand, and if you don't already have a keyboard and a mouse, they are good things to get. So although it's £1,200, factor in about an extra couple, £300-400 extra for keyboard, mouse, hard drives and dongles. But otherwise, you will not be disappointed. Now, even if they bring out the 1X Mark II in a week's time, it's going to be far more expensive. They're thinking of bringing out 14-inch as well. Far too expensive, far bigger, just unnecessary. Get this, you will be happy. End of.